Welcome back. Now, often on this show, you've heard us complaining about how Joe Public, car buyer, doesn't really care about performance while he's buying his motor car, and why that's a problem for people like us who do. Well, now there's a solution. Today, we're going to show you how to turn an 85 bhp docile little Suzuki Swift into a 170 brake horsepower animal. Today, we're going to show you Red Rooster performance. You've seen Red Rooster cars on this show and you've always seen them like this. But could you see a car like this on the road driving you to work? And more importantly, could you own one? Yes, dear viewer, yes you can. We went over to the Red Rooster home base in Bangalore to find out how the mad scientists there can take a common or garden variety 4-door sedan or hatch and turn it into a spitting, snarling street beast.
What we are trying to do here is make ordinary cars extraordinary. All the products and solutions that Red Rooster Performance is offering have all been tried and tested for our Indian conditions. So it is about creating that little extra that the Indian car owner has been waiting for a long time.
We got to see for ourselves. We took a spin in the souped-up Swift and were completely blown away.
Basically what we've done is this is a 1.3 litre petrol Swift. We've put in a turbo kit. The actual turbo is made by a company called Garrett. We get a lot of components from different parts of the world, like the blow-off valves, the fuel pressure regulators. Everything is from a company called TurboSmart, which is Australian. We're using an ECU from Australia again. It's a company called Haltech. So we put all the whole kit together. We've tuned the car here in Bangalore on our dyno, which we have in our facility in Bangalore. This car is now putting out around 160 horsepower at the crank, wherein a stock car puts out anything between 75 to 80 horsepower. So basically you're talking about a 100% increase of power. Now all the pistons, the conrods, everything is stock. We haven't opened up the engine at all. The transmission is stock. What we have done in terms of suspension is we've again added in a set of TM Super Street dampers along with an onboard control. Basically what this control does is it gives you the flexibility to stiffen or soften your suspension on the fly. You know, it gives you that flexibility depending on whether you're driving in town or whether you're on the highway, you need it a little stiffer. So you can set the suspension accordingly.
So now that we've seen the results, what we really want to know is this: how exactly is it done? We caught up with Leela Krishnan, the technical chief of Red Rooster Performance, to find out how a docile street car can turn into a monster.
Basically for a Swift, especially for the street, for an average driver, can break it down to engine and suspension. And basically what we do is we provide a suspension which gives us more comfort than a standard suspension would do. We change both the dampers and the springs so that it's been calibrated for Indian road conditions. So it takes care of all your normal good roads, potholes, bumps, speed breakers and everything.
With Red Rooster cars, you keep hearing about a 30% jump in this and a 20% jump in that. And when you hear numbers like these, a lot of times these figures are just pulled out of thin air. But not with the boys down at RR.
So eventually what you have at the end of the wheel is what you really feel on the road. So you can see the dyno graph. We get a dyno graph of what the horsepower is of the wheel, and we get to know all the changes, even the minute changes that we make. The horsepower, if you can see, has been to the third decimal. So in a hub-driven dyno, there's absolutely no inertia at all. So mostly the hub-driven dynos are a little bit more accurate than a rolling road. It simulates exactly how it runs on the road. We know exactly what's happening, and we can, as I told you, we can measure up to the third decimal.
The performance upgrades don't stop at petrol sedans. We even drove a Mahindra Scorpio, but with the Red Rooster treatment. And they'd fix the biggest problem we found with the homegrown SUV. the suspension. The solution? Change it entirely.
Well, basically, this particular Scorpio, number one, what we've done is we've put in a set of teen suspension. That's the dampers and the springs. It's a full replacement of both your front and rear, both the dampers and the springs. Now, this particular setup is pretty much an India spec damper. It is specifically made for the Indian market and come up with a setup which we think is the most ideal setup for our conditions here. Basically, the engine, we've put in a tuning box from Spider. Okay. It's a company from the UK who we represent in India. It's again specifically made for the Scorpio. It bumps up your power by around 30%, and not just that, your mileage of your car goes up by around 10% too.
So the next time you see a boy racer in a car with an air dam and sparkly graphics, if you see a little Red Rooster decal, drive away slowly. If you don't, you could just give him the finger.